Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you a free screen recorder for your computer. Before I begin, give this video a like, hit that thumbs up button. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. So there's a lot of screen recorders out there, some fancy, some not so fancy, some that you have to pay for, some that are free. This one is very simple to use, very free to use, and it's actually a Google Chrome extension that you can download and install, again, for free. So the first thing you want to do is jump into Google Chrome, like I have right here, and you'll be searching for this screenshot and screen video recorder Chrome extension. Now, if you can't find it, I will put the link right here in the description. So all you have to do is click it, and it will take you right to the extension. So once you're here, you're just going to click on Add to Chrome. It'll say Add Screenshot Screen Video Recorder. Just hit Add Extension. It's going to install right here. It's going to say Adding to Chrome. And once that's done, it's going to say thank you, welcome, thank you for installing. So what I like to do is I'll close out of that tab, I'll hit the puzzle piece, find my screenshot screen video recorder right here. I will pin it, make it a little bit easier to find. I'll click on it, and right here it'll give you a couple options. You can capture a screenshot, you do a whole page, a visible area, custom area. You have your screen record. You could do desktop, you could do webcam, and you can do both. You also have audio support right here at the bottom. I'll have it ticked off because I'm using another software to record this with my microphone, but just know that you can record video and audio with this as well. So I'm going to do desktop, and I can click on desktop, and I will minimize this for you. And right here, it'll say share your screen. So all you're going to do from here is click on the screen and hit share. So right now you are recording whatever you do. So this could be on your desktop, this could be on Chrome, whatever you want to do. You want to make tutorials just like I do, you can do that. So you can go in here, you can click the start button, it's going to record everything for you. So when you're done, just click on stop sharing, and we can jump back into Chrome. What it did was it captured your video. So right here it's playing the video that we just recorded. You have two options. You can send it to Google Drive, or you can download it. So if I click on download, it'll ask me where I want to save it. So for me, I'm going to stick it in my videos folder right here, and I can name it, test video, and I can hit save. So right here, it's going to show that it's saving. Minimize that. Go to our video folder. And right here is our test video. I'll double click it. And as you can see, this is the video that we just recorded with my mouse all, moving around and clicking random things. So hopefully this video helped. It's just a very simple screen recorder to use. I know it's not much, but it's just very simple. There's nothing too much involved. So if it did help, give it a like. If you are new, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.